Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video of Techno Trend. I am your friend Sam, and today I will tell you about best 5 and budget Chromebooks, so let's get started. The pics here all have large 15.6-inch displays, with the exception of Acer's latest Chromebook, which features a 13.5-inch display, but with a 3:2 aspect ratio that provides more vertical space than a 16:10 screen for less scrolling. Big screen, small price. Asus Chromebook C523. This basic $269 Chromebook features an Intel Celeron processor, 4 GB of memory and 32 GB of storage. Those specs are nothing to get excited about, but they will let you run Chrome OS smoothly, as long as you don't leave too many Chrome tabs open at once. The draw here is the roomy 15.6-inch display in a model that costs less than $300. You'll need to make do with a 1366x768 pixel display resolution, rather than the sharper 1080p picture you'll find as you move up in price. FHD display on the cheap Samsung Chromebook 4. Like the above Asus model, this $300 Samsung Chromebook 4 features a 15.6-inch display powered by an Intel Celeron processor and 4 GB of RAM, and it supplies 32 GB of solid-state storage. The extra $30 for the Samsung gets you a full HD 1920x1080 pixel resolution display for a sharper picture. Samsung also sells two step-up models. For $350, you can upgrade the memory to 6 GB and the storage to 64 GB. And for $380, you can get 4 GB of RAM and a 128 GB SSD. Touch support and storage space. HP Chromebook 15. As you approach $500, you start seeing touchscreen displays that let you navigate Chrome OS with your fingertip, as well as play Android games, once homework is done, of course. This $489 HP Chromebook features a 15.6-inch touchscreen display with a 1920x1080 pixel resolution. Instead of using a budget Pentium or Celeron CPU, it supplies a Core i3 chip, along with 4 GB of RAM and a generous 128 GB SSD. Acer Chromebook Spin 713. Acer's new Chromebook 713 is currently $100 off at Best Buy to bring its price down to a reasonable $529. It features a 13.5-inch touchscreen with a 3:2 aspect ratio, which offers more room vertically than wider 16:10 displays that are better for watching movies but require more scrolling when browsing the web. The display also has a fine 2256x1504 pixel resolution, a Gorilla Glass coating for added durability, and can rotate 360 degrees into tablet mode. Inside, the system features specs that are more common on a Windows-based laptop than a Chromebook. Core i5 CPU, 8 GB of RAM, and a 128 GB SSD. This is one Chromebook that you won't soon outgrow and will likely last you through 4 years of high school or college. Acer Spin 15 2-in-1 Chromebook. This $399 Acer Chromebook is both a laptop and tablet. The 15.6-inch touchscreen boasts a full HD 1920x1080 resolution and can rotate 360 degrees into tablet mode. Such versatility could be beneficial during a quarantine. Inside, it features an Intel Pentium CPU, 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more, and don't forget to smash the like button.